Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about how to talk for future plans with going to form. For this you need to watch the full video that will help you to construct the sentences with going to form. And one more thing, if you are new in my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel for getting more this kinds of English learning videos every day. So without further ado, let's move on to the video. The expression be going to followed by a verb in the infinitive that allow us to express an idea in the near future. For example, I am going to talk to him. I am going to talk to him. Next, are you going to play football? Are you going to play football? The verbs in the sentences are in going to form. So let's talk about how to form the going to form. The formation will be am, is or are plus going to plus root form of the verb. Like I'm going to tell or is going to win. Now let's talk about where to use the going to form. The going to form expresses action that will take place in the near future. We use this form when, number one, that is, we intended doing something in the near future. For example, children, I will going to tell you an interesting story. In this sentence, we can see our intention. And number two, that is, there are clear sign that something will happen very soon. There are clear sign that something will happen very soon. For example, Geeta has left others far behind. She is going to win the race. In this sentence, we can see there is clear sign that she will win definitely. Let's take a quick recap. The going to form is used with am, is, are plus going to plus root form of the verb. We use it when, number one, that is, there is an intention to do something in the near future. Remember, there is an intention to do something in the near future. And number two point is, there are clear signs that something will happen very soon. There are clear signs that something will happen very soon. Only with the both points we can use going to form. Let's solve the examples. Look at those dark clouds. It's dash rain. In the sentence we can use it is going to rain. It is going to rain. Look at those dark clouds. It is going to rain. After that, the driver is driving the bus very dangerously. I'm afraid he dash have an accident. So in the dash we can use he is going to have an accident. Let's look the full sentence. The driver is driving the bus very dangerously. I'm afraid he is going to have an accident. After that, we have set up a new factory. We dash start production very soon. In the gap, we can use we are going to start production very soon. So the full sentence will be we have started a new factory. We are going to start production very soon. So I hope that video will help you to form sentences with going to. So that was the whole lesson. If you liked that video, give me a big thumbs up, and if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe this channel for get notified when I post a new video.